Hi, I'm Nora, the Education Manager for the Delaware Center for Horticulture. Today I'd like to introduce our Green Thumb mini-series on composting systems in anticipation of our virtual Food Waste Symposium that's coming to you in 2021. Enjoy. Hi, I'm Nora, the Education Manager for the Delaware Center for Horticulture. Today I'd like to talk to you about trench composting. Trench composting is one of the oldest forms of composting and waste disposal that humans have. We basically for thousands of years have buried our trash, and that's exactly what trench composting is. So you start with a hole or a trench, you dump your waste material in and cover it back up again. This allows you to compost on site, and it makes it a lot easier. So you're not turning compost, you're not hauling compost from your compost pile to the garden area. You're doing it right where you need the nutrients. This is also great because it's covered, which avoids animal attraction and smells. This is better in a larger garden because you may not have the space to be constantly digging holes or trenches in a very small garden. But in a small garden, it is a good idea to do this in the fall. So as you clear your garden beds, your vegetable beds in the fall, you can do this and they'll decompose over the winter and you'll have a nice rich bed in the spring. Leave us a comment if you have any questions, and thanks for joining.